Welcome back to my channel. Hey, hey, welcome back to my channel. Hey, hey, welcome back to my channel. Hey, hey, hey. Welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite chocolate girl, Beatbymoe, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell, like, I know y'all like, girl, it's getting what it's supposed to have game, okay? Don't worry. I'm going to get you guys into the video real soon here. But I want to let you know, this is the first look for my fall series. I'm going to have a little fall series on here. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you do not miss an upload from your favorite chocolate girl, because I'm going to be your favorite chocolate girl, okay? I'm going to be your favorite chocolate girl. You're going to tune in to see me, okay? Anybody that is a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. I appreciate you for sticking with me. I really do. I really do. And I love you guys all so much. So this is the first look for my fall series. And yeah, I'm doing a series as well on my Instagram. So go ahead and follow my Instagram at Beatbymoe with 2 E's. So you guys can see the pictures of this look as well. And I'm going to go ahead and get into this video. Okay, guys? Okay, so we're gonna jump right into this. So I am going into these 2 browns, not that third one, but those 2 browns, and I'm just gonna blend that into my eye, up under my eyebrow. Not too close, like not directly up under my eyebrow, but just a little bit up under my eyebrow, just to give it a seamless blend. Then I'm gonna go into the other brown, and I'm going to blend that in to the brown that I just put on my eye. I'm gonna blend that into my crease and into my and into that brown to give it a gradient effect. Like, we want the blend, okay? We want it to be blended. We want it to be nice, okay? So we are gonna go into that black in that same Warrior palette, the Warrior 2 by Juvias Place. I'm sorry. We're gonna go into that black and we're gonna blend that into the crease. Now, you do not want to go in heavy with the black because excuse me, y'all, but when you are blending black, you got to be really careful, because if you blend it too far up, then you're going to lose your color, and it's very, very hard to blend your color back into black. So you just want to be really careful. You want to take a small brush and you just want to tap it in, and then brush it into the places that you want it in. Y'all, excuse my boyfriend. He wanted to be seen, apparently. I don't know. He wanted to be seen. Okay, so as you can tell, I've already cut my crease with the Plan and Makeup by Yolanda's foundation base in the shade Foundation. And I'm just going into the black, and I'm just going to be blending that into the back of that cut crease where I cut it at. Then I'm going to go into that brown from the Warriors 2 palette, and I'm going to pack that in on top of the black. Well, not on top of the black. I'm going to blend it into the black so that we can get that gradient effect. And then I am going to go into the Tribe by Juvias Place, and I'm going to go into that dark green color called Sand. And I'm just going to blend that into the front of that brown and into it just a little bit. You know, guys, we got to get that blend. So this all, you want to take your time doing this. And I know this video is going by fast because this is my fall series. This isn't really tutorials, because I just want to give you guys some fall looks. You know, I'm just going to be showing you guys some fall looks that I would do. So I did go ahead and pack that color on top of that cut crease, that green color that I told you guys about. And then I did go in with Curori out of that Tribes by Juvia's Place, and I did pack that on top of the green because I didn't like the way it was looking matte. So I did put a little shimmer on it to give it some oomph, you know. So as we go along, you guys will see what I'm talking about. Just pay attention and just follow along. Okay, so now I'm going in and I am going to be doing my foundation base. I'm going in with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade number 7. And I'm going to put that directly up under my eye. And I'm going to clean up where I did my eyeliner and my eyeshadow a little bit with that liner. So now I'm going in with the Nicka K full coverage concealer in the shade number 9, and I'm going to be putting that in the corners of my eyes because I want a bright under eye, but I just don't want it to be too bright. While this Juvia's Place foundation sets a little bit, because I'm going to let all of this set while I do my foundation and stuff, because I want it to be super full coverage. If you let it sit for like 2 to 3 minutes, you will get a nice full coverage. So when you're doing your foundation, if you're doing it the way that I am showing you guys how I do it, then you want to make the concealer that is up under your eyes the last thing that you blend out. So I'm going to touch bases on that again and tell you guys, you know, how I'm doing this technique. So I'm going in with the Juvia's Place foundation stick, and this is the shade Congo, and I'm going to be using this as a contour today. So I'm just going to take that on the high points of my cheeks, on my forehead, and on the bridge of my nose. I'm not going to put a lot because you don't want to over contour your nose. So just put just a little bit, because when you blend it out, you don't want it to be overbearing your nose, because when we're using this as a contour, we are using it to make our nose look smaller. Because if y'all can't tell in this video, sweetie, I got a nose on me. My nose take up like 95% of my face. So, honey, if I can make it go down to at least 80% of my face, then that's what we're going to do. So now I'm going into Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this is in the shade Cocoa. And I'm going to put that everywhere that I didn't put concealer and where I didn't contour. Now, you guys, do not freak out because this will oxidize and it will match. I know you guys are like, girl, you look crazy. You're going to look like a fool. That's too light for you. Just trust the process. This is trusting the process, guys. Trust the process. So we're going to go ahead and blend out this foundation. And guys, again, it's going to oxidize and it's going to match, okay? So just trust the process. This technique is all about blending. You want to blend. You're going to be blending until your arm hurt, honey, because you don't want this to look crazy. Like, you don't want this to look like, okay, I see where she put the foundation. Okay, I see where she put the concealer. I see where she put the contour. No, you want it all to blend in together. That's why I'm going in and I am blending just a little bit of this concealer in with the foundation around my lips, because I want it to all be blended in together. So as you guys will see, everything will come together and you're going to get a nice smooth finish. You just got to trust the process and keep blending. So I'm going to let you guys watch this process and listen to this music as I blend out my foundation and contour and concealer, and I'll be back with you guys. Okay, so I'm just taking my Fitme loose powder in the shade 35 Deep. And I'm just going to set everywhere that I did the concealer. And I'm just going to press that into the areas that I concealed so I can get a nice, smooth finish look, okay? So now I'm taking my CoverGirl loose powder in the shade 119. And I think this is a translucent powder because, y'all, it really like dissolves into my skin. Like, I just take a little bit of that, as you can see, and I just press it into my skin on top of that setting powder that I already put there. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to sculpt out my jawline with this and just define where I contoured at, because I just love how it just makes my face look so defined. Like, I like it. I like the way that I do this because I like the, like, look, I'm speechless. Speechless. Like, do y'all see that? Now, this is another holy grail. This is the Plan and Makeup by Yolando's Mixed Race palette. And I love using this palette as well. And I'm just going to go in. I'm going to use this as a bronzer today. And I'm just going to go in and set everywhere that I contoured at. So this is going to be my browser. This is going to be my bronzer today. I'm just going to use this to bronze up my face and just set everywhere that I contoured. So now I'm going in with my 360 Maybelline Fitme press powder. And I'm just going to set the rest of my face. And I'm going to brush away all of that CoverGirl powder that I had, just so we can get this nice seamless blend. Like, guys, do you see the way this look is coming together? Oh my God. Woo. Like, who is that? Okay, so we're going into the Saharan Volume 2. And I'm just going to be using this blush color, Tayu, I think that's the name of it. And I'm just going to put some blushy blush on my cheeks. Y'all, I love this palette so much because look at how beautiful and, like, soft this is on my cheeks. Like, do y'all see that? Do y'all see what I see? Okay. Okay, so I'm going into the Glowing in Grease by BH Cosmetics palette. And I am going into, I think it's called At This. It's going to be linked in my description box. So you guys check out my description box. But I'm going into this and I'm just highlighting my face, y'all. Like, do y'all see this? I have to get a new palette because that color is broken. And I'm like scraping the bottom of the barrel trying to get this color because I love it so much. So I'm definitely going to be getting a new palette. So now I'm going in with my all-time holy grail favorite pencil. This is the crayon case bribery pencil. This is the lip pencil, and I'm just going to line my lips. Guys, I apologize because I thought I was recording, but I was not recording when I put my lip color on. I used the BH Cosmetics matte lipstick in that nude color that I show you guys. But again, guys, I didn't record that part, so I do apologize about that. But in the end, I am going to be using the Nicka K lip gloss to just finish up this look. And guys, that's it. This is going to be a look. This is going to be the look, okay? So here is the finished look, ladies. So how are you guys feeling about this look? Y'all, I did a voiceover because I don't know if I'm gonna make this a story time or not, but something really petty and stupid happened, and it just got my blood boiling because how stupid it is and how petty it is. So I was like, I'm gonna make this a voiceover because I need to listen to my music, do my makeup, calm down. Like, makeup and music is just my therapy. So yeah, so I made it a voiceover. But guys, let me know how you are feeling this look. This is the kickstart of my fall series. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna be giving y'all some fall looks for this beautiful fall weather and your beautiful fall outfits that you guys may wear. So if you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe if you made it to the end of this video. For all of my returning subscribers and my new ones, go ahead and hit that like button, comment, let me know how you feel about this look. Okay, what is the vibe it's giving you, okay? And I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Go ahead and follow my Instagram because I am doing a fall series on there as well. So go ahead and follow my Instagram at Beatbymoe with 2 E's so that you guys can see the pictures and the reels of this look and comment on there as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.